Hello everyone and welcome. You guys know that I love getting new tools. You can never have enough tools has been my experience. So the other day when I came across this new mechanics tool set from Vevor, I decided to give it a try. This is a very complete mechanics tool set that has all the different types of hand tools that you will ever need and at a very reasonable price. I can tell you that Harbor Freight doesn't have anything that comes close to this, and the Home Depot and Lowe's have tool sets that are much smaller than this one. So if you've been looking for a very complete mechanics tool set in a convenient storage case but didn't know which one to get, then stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get notified every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save more money. Alright, so this is the 450-piece mechanics tool set from Vevor, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this set retails for $157.99. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get 450 tools that we're going to look at, and a 3-drawer storage case to keep it all contained when you're not using it. The dimensions on this storage case, when it's all closed up, you're looking at about 12 inches by 11 inches by 18 inches. And the weight of this whole kit is about 30 pounds. Now this is a 450-piece mechanics tool set that includes way too many tools for me to read off. I will put up an image showing all the different sizes that are included, but I can tell you that this set includes 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, 6 and 12-point sockets, and the ratchets are 72 tooth each one. Now this set includes sockets, wrenches, spark plug sockets, nut drivers, Allen keys, Torx bits, E-sockets, security bits, and more. All labeled and organized so you can easily pull them out and use them as you need them. Now these tools are made from CRV chrome vanadium steel for durability and strength, plus they have a high torque rating of up to 3,000 inch-pounds. It all comes neatly stored in a 3-drawer PE HD plastic tool case so you can carry it around easily if you need to. This also makes for a great storage case so you can keep it all organized and it doesn't take up that much room. The 3-drawer design allows you to pull out each of the drawers as you can see, so you can easily spread out your tools and find whatever you need without having to fumbling around opening and closing the drawers every time. Now I know some people are going to say that they can easily get the same set at Home Depot or Lowe's for a much lower price. Well, those people would be wrong. I did my comparison before I got this set, and I can tell you that the sets at the Home Depot and at Lowe's that commonly go on sale for around $99 are much smaller than this set. The Home Depot set has only 270 pieces, and the one at Lowe's only has 297 pieces. This set from Vevor has 450 pieces, making it a clear winner. On the other hand, Harbor Freight doesn't even have anything that compares to this set. At Harbor Freight, you can either get a 66-piece socket set from Quinn, or you can get a 225-piece general purpose set from Pittsburgh, again nowhere near what this set contains. So in actuality, there is no other set on the market that can be evenly compared to this one from Vevor because it is so much larger than all the others, having more sockets and wrenches than everyone else. That's why I decided to get this one. So let's take a little closer look at it and see how they perform. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at this set and go over some of the different tools and stuff that it has inside, some of the features, etc. Now, this is a very nice set. I got to tell you, I've been looking through it and it's a very nice, complete set. And you have all the different tools that you need in this one convenient case to keep it all in. I tell you, I have tools scattered all over my shop. I have tools all over inside all those cabinets and stuff. And I have to fish around to find the one that I want every single time. And some of them are in front of my truck over there and so forth because I just don't have enough room for all the tools. But this guy and this one convenient case that's only like 20 by 20, something like that, 20 inches by 20 inches, it holds all this stuff. And this is very convenient. And I mean, some of the stuff in this case, I have some other ones in that cabinet over there. And like, for example, this security bit set. You have all sorts of bits, but you also have security bits. See all those with the holes in them? Those are all security bits. And I got a set of that from Harbor Freight many years ago, and it was like $10 for a set like this. Well, this one is already included in this kit right here. So if you don't have one, by getting this set, you're also getting a security kit included with the case. And aside from that, you get all sorts of sockets. These are all the half-inch drive sockets right here. That's why you have the half-inch drive right there. And it's pretty beefy. I mean, that is a big, solid unit right there. Very solid. You have the quick little flip back and forth, and you have the release for it right there. And it does have 72 teeth to it, and it sounds really good. Let me see if I can put this over here. Let me put it next to my microphone. I don't know. I put that next to my microphone. I don't know if the microphone is picking it up or not, but you can hear the 72 teeth on there, and they're really, really close to each other. So that'll make it very easy to remove something because it takes very little effort, very little turns, rotations to get something undone. So there you have all the Torx bits and the hex and all that stuff there. And like I said, over here you have repetition of different sizes because what you have is the 12 point 12 point right there. And then you got the 6 point over here. Now, I don't have any 6 points. All the ones that I've had, all the tools that I get for some odd reason are always 12 point. Now I'm happy to have, finally, a 6 point set, which is very good because, you know, these guys are notorious for rounding off nuts and bolts. So if you don't want something to round it off, you want a secure grip on something, the 6 point is the way to go. And then you have the deep ones right there. And you have all the other ones right there. Now, these are sockets, so they're going to give you a lot more torque than the regular ones. Here you have the nut drivers and the handle for the nut drivers. This end piece does not come off. It stays on there. And then you put these guys on there. More sockets, more deep. Again, you have metric, standard, a bunch of extensions to go with it. There you have your 1/4 and your 3/8. Again, feels very good. For a 3/8 drive, feels very solid. You have the big head on it, this elongated design. Instead of the round one, look, my old Craftsman has a round design to it. This is the elongated style, and it's not very big. I mean, it's a good head to get into tight places. And like I said, you see all the different tools you have there. Oh, and wrenches. Up here, you have all the different wrenches. Yeah, that goes all the way back there. So you got plenty of room to get in here. You have all your Allen keys in there. And these tiny, tiny little wrenches. I've never seen anything that small. I don't have currently anything this small. So this is a good addition to my collection. And then you have all your wrenches there, you know, standard and metric. One side is metric, the other side standard, like that. That's how they split it up. So you have a ton more sockets and everything than you do wrenches. But this guy is very convenient because you can close it up, take it with you anywhere you want to go. It's a solid case. This guy is very solid, good beefy handle to it. And the drawers, they all come out, but they also lock in. These wings, they lock in really, really good and tight. So you can carry it around and you don't need to worry about that stuff falling out on you as you're carrying it around. So let's test a few of these guys and see how they perform. All right, guys, so let's do a little bit of testing with these tools and see how they perform. I have a big chunk of wood right here, a big 4x4, and we're going to put some lag bolts into it. Let's start small. Let's use this guy right here, and we're going to start off using one of the wrenches. In case you wonder what the wrenches look like, there you go. Nice chrome polished wrenches. Very easy to keep clean and so forth. This is a 3/8 because that's the smallest one we have right now. That's what we're going to start with. So let's try this one first. And there's no pre-drilling or anything, so it's basically going in the brutest, the hardest way possible. So let's put this guy in here, start it off, get some traction going here. And this one is not ratcheting. They're your normal, typical wrenches, so it takes a little bit longer, and you gotta basically whip it around and change it as you need to every time. Get some good grip on there. And here we go, putting this guy in. And it is definitely getting a lot tougher as it goes down, but the wrench is holding up just fine. There you go, almost there. And we are almost at the bottom. There you go. I think that is pretty much bottomed out right there. There you go. Bottomed out all the way down. So the wrench did its job just fine. Now let's move on to a 3/8 inch ratchet. I have this guy that we're going to be sinking into there. Let's put this guy in there. And we have the 3/8 ratchet right here. And this is a 9/16 on the socket that we're using. And I'm using the 6-point. Let's put this guy in. Get it going nice and straight. Again, no pre-drilling, so it has a tendency to want to wander and go in a different direction if I don't get it in there started properly. So we start off with this 3/8 in here, and you can hear the teeth on there. You should be able to hear that. You see it went off a little crooked on me, but that's all right, doesn't matter. Probably at an angle is a little harder to get it in there anyway. And I'm putting my whole body weight on that. Wow. That's pretty much at the end there. I really can't force it any further. Now let's try something else. Now, the pièce de résistance, the biggest one I got. This is a 3/4 inch, and we're going to use the 1/2 inch drive. Get this guy started. And let's try this guy. Yep, not getting enough traction in there. Got to get it to grip the wood so it goes in, because it's not drilled. Now, this guy is a workout, that's for sure. Whoa. I may even split the log. I don't need a workout today. I'm already getting one. Whoa. Has it come out? No, it hasn't come out the bottom yet. I think I already split the wood. You can hear it cracking. Yeah, I definitely split it. I can feel it on the bottom. It's already split. And it's less resistance now because I split the log. And now, ooh, it's hot. Now, I don't know if you can see it. It's definitely coming out of the bottom. everything at the bottom there. There you go, all bottomed out. And you can see it down here. I'm not going to touch it, it's pretty hot. You can see it right there. It came out of the bottom. And I split the log in two. So this guy got a real workout, and so did this guy. And it did just fine. No problem whatsoever. You can see inside there, the socket still looks like new. So it did really a fantastic job. So there you go, guys. If you're looking for a very complete kit of sockets and adapters and wrenches and all sorts of stuff in one convenient unit, this guy from Vevor, that guy back there, that complete kit back there, for only about 157 bucks, and they may put it on sale sometimes. You might get it even cheaper than that. Really a very good kit, even comparing it to Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, all those places. This brings you a whole lot more than what the competitor brings you. Very good price, very durable. As you can see, I sunk all these guys right in front of you without any trouble whatsoever. And it took a lot of strength to split that log in half, and it did it without any trouble at all. I think a very complete kit, takes up no room whatsoever in that little storage case right there. Really great if you carry it around in your vehicle with you or have it at home. If you do a lot of traveling, a kit like that would be ideal to have in your vehicle in case you break down on the road. So there you go, guys. Check out the links below for all the information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.